Oftentimes, after you create a slide presentation, the images, the tables are not exactly what you want. All you have to do is just do what the pros do. Edit the image, iterate, and create new tables or create the new image that fits your liking just with a prompt and a few simple steps. We make this easy for MACg users because MACg has an amazing image creation tool. When you combine that with a slide editing tool, you now have the ability to create any image, any table, and turn that into a beautiful slide right inside MACg. We've written 10 plug-and-play prompts for MACg users to help them create the tables that they want to create. Just follow a few simple steps. Grab the prompts that's closest to what you want to create. Customize it to fit the data set that you have or add any additional instructions. And you're on your way to creating an amazing, visually appealing table that showcases your data the way you want to show it. You can find this article on the MACg page under Resources and News. And you can copy and save the prompts in your own document. So let's go through some examples using the prompts that are in the article. So here's one example, a high resolution infographic table of a study that I uploaded to showcase and show the results of that study. There's another one and another slightly different table, all created from the prompts that I paste into the prompt window. To turn these image tables that already contain your data into a slide is very easy. And you can see that I have done that in this particular presentation. So here's an example of using one of these prompts and how I created these tables. So I've already pasted my prompt. I copied it from the article. I tweaked it so that the name of my study is shown in the prompt. And in this prompt, we're creating a round corner study card style table that summarizes the core design and baseline characteristics of the Clarity study, which I have attached. So let's see what MACg gives us. And here's our table. Just exactly what we asked for. Side by side, card style, study design on one side, baseline characteristics on the other. Very nice, cool icons as well to make it visually stand out. Now, to turn this into a slide is very simple. One way is to simply select Create New Slide from the drop-down. And your data is now in the slide, and you can delete any text that you do not want. Using the features on the right side of the slide editor, you can change the background color if you want to by selecting the color that you want. You can resize the image as well. You can even add captions if you want to. Some of the snippets that are provided, so you can just pull a text snippet over. The second way that you can create or add your new table or image to your slide is to first open up a blank slide template or layout. So you could select this one, for instance. And then instead of selecting Create New Slide, you would select Add to Slide. Your image is now added to the slide. And you can delete what you don't need, resize the image, and there you go. You have your new slide. You can type text here, or you can delete it if you don't need it. You've just created a new slide. Now, these are not all the features that are in MACg. Also remember that you can edit any image that's on the slide as well. So just double click on it, and you have the option of generating a new image, generating a new chart, or editing the current one. So you could tell MACg, remove an item or add an item or change the color or restyle something in the image, and MACg will do it for you while preserving most of the original image. And you can do that with diagrams as well, or charts. Same feature. Double click and edit as you see fit. So there are many powerful features inside the MACg slide editor. And the image generator gives you the flexibility to create the images, charts, diagrams, visuals that you want to create for your slides. So if the first output is not what you really want, it's okay. Just change it.